Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. This video was created the first week of August in 2020. The COVID virus is still going strong, so shipping is still a little bit slower than normal. I went to the mailbox after my holidays and found a treasure trove of packages. So let's take a look at what I just received.
First package from China. No description. Oh, integrated circuits. Let's see if they're right. Looks like WeMOS Minis with the antenna for the long range version. Excellent. This will work really well in the shed, outside, just slightly outside of my Wi-Fi range, so it works out really well for me.
This package was purchased from AliExpress. The store name is Shop912692 Store. It's currently selling for $6.06 Canadian, and the shipping is $3.26. However, when I purchased it back in April, it was $4.46. That might have been American, I'm not really sure. It takes a long time to get from China, I guess, because from April to now through airmail, I doubt it. The package comes with some headers so that you can attach it to breadboards or other devices commonly known as shields. The package comes with an 8266 on a WeMOS Mini board. It also has several connectors for making interconnections with breadboards or other boards commonly known as shields. It has a small adapter cable going to the antenna, and it uses the Wi-Fi network. This unit uses the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and it's using an 8266 processor. Here you see an example of where I'm using one of these devices. I've installed it in my shed, and it is reporting back to my home automation system running, which is Home Assistant. I use these in automations within Home Assistant to alert me if I left the lights on at night or if there's any motion at night. It gives me notifications and emails as well as speaking through Alexa.
Good evening. Did you forget to turn the shed lights off? The lights are still on in the shed. Oh, someone is in the shed. You may want to check. I see someone moving in the shed.
I think this is a really cool idea to incorporate into my security system using Home Assistant.
China. Ah, cool. These are the cross slide tweezers. They're really good for picking up small things and holding on to them so that you don't have to hold it all the time while you're trying to solder or desolder a component. These look like they're pretty good quality. They weren't very expensive. They're not as nice as the ones that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave the link to the Amazon one in the comments below. This one, compared to the one from Amazon, is cheap. Here's the one from Amazon. It's just a better design, more comfortable, more ergonomic, just a little bit nicer. Still happy to have both of them.
And here's another fine example why I'm not going to be buying from AliExpress as much. I placed this order on March the 27th, and it is now August the 6th. They keep telling us that they're shipping through airmail. I call bullshit on that. Back in March when I purchased these tweezers, they were $3.05 with free shipping. That's considerably cheaper than the Excelta DN7 SASE tweezers fine point reverse action curved 1-star anti-magnetic stainless steel. They were $15.26 Canadian with free shipping through Prime. Even though these are about 4 times as much money, they are much better quality, and I would recommend buying the ones from Amazon versus AliExpress.
Package from Shanghai. Let's see what we got from Shanghai. No description. Oh, hang on. 3D printer parts and accessories. Oh, cool. These are the timing belts and the timing pulleys. I'm going to get into some robotics, and I wanted to have some of these on stock so that I could fiddle around with them. Very cool.
I'm going to be using these timing belts with pulleys on stepper motors. This gives you the ability to convert your rotational motion to linear motion. These little gadgets are commonly used in 3D printers and in robotics. looking forward to experimenting with them and having some fun.
Next one is from China, electronic components. Two microscopic little boards. More on that later.
Two little boards are MCP4725. That's a 12-bit I2C digital to analog converter, and it's a little module to allow you to measure analog signals and send it to digital through to an Arduino or an ESP8266. This was the first order of these. I've got another batch of 5 on the way. They cost 72 cents, which is pretty cheap, and I'm looking forward to experimenting with them. I2C, or sometimes it's I2C, is a serial communications protocol. Data is transferred bit by bit using a single wire on the SDA line. It also has an SCL line, which is a clock signal, and that is always controlled by the master. If you've never used the I2C format, it's not as scary as it looks. It's quite easy. There's lots of libraries for Arduino and ESP8266, and give it a shot. It's a lot of fun. Quick and easy way to communicate to devices.
Another one from China. This one is LED. And they are LEDs. I have no idea what LEDs they are. We'll have to cross-reference this back.
Looking back through my AliExpress orders, it looks like this order was placed in May 29th. I purchased a package of 100 super bright 3528 1210 SMD LEDs for 42 cents, free shipping, and now the price of them has gone to about a couple of dollars, but the shipping has jumped to $7.67. I wonder if that's real airmail or is it going to be snail mail?
I wish they would put the content descriptions inside. Next one from China Post. We've got a 386N chip. That is an audio amplifier chip if that's what's inside. Pretty well wrapped. And that's what it is. LM386 audio amplifier chips.
These were ordered through AliExpress. The store was Flyerfish. They were ordered on May the 20th, and now it is August. Again, a long time coming. I paid 93 cents with free shipping. A package of 10 LM386. They're a low voltage audio power amplifier. Lots of information online. These chips are fairly common audio amplifiers, and they're handy to have in your stock.
Last but not least, integrated circuits. We got integrated circuits, and diodes. Again from China Post. Excellent. So right here what we've got is capacitors, all small, ranging from 2 picofarad to 104. Nice little container of them. Optical couplers. Going to be experimenting with these very shortly. LM324 is an audio amplifier. I believe there's a couple in the package. EL4N25, they are optical couplers to go with the kit. This looks like a diode assortment, surface mount. And this is a Zener diode assortment kit.
Another order that was placed near the end of May. There's not much to say about this order. It's a very nice set of assorted components that you could use while you're experimenting. And that concludes today's mailbag. I'm sure I'm going to have lots of fun playing with all these new devices. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to keep me motivated to create more content, please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.